Okay, so what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. I am super excited because today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my rose infused lip oils for my cosmetic line. I will have the link to the website listed below. Also, I will have the links for any items mentioned in the description box, so you guys can make a purchase, or if you want to actually do this DIY yourself, you'll have the supplies. So first and foremost, you just want to start with your area clean. I already disinfected all of my utensils. I already washed my hands. As you can see, I am putting on gloves, even though they are tight as heck and they do not fit. And so I also have a napkin down as well, and I have my tubes clean. So the products that I'm going to be using today are castor oil, fractionated coconut oil, sweet almond oil, vitamin E oil, strawberry flavoring oil, peppermint oil, gold edible flakes. I'll have the link listed below if you want to purchase any of these on your own. I also have some pipettes and a funnel, which you'll see it gave me complications. And I also have these tubes that I purchased off of Amazon, and these rose buds and petals that I purchased off of Amazon as well. I'll have most of these items listed below. Most of them did come from TKB Trading, so you can easily just get on the website and go check it out yourself. So I'm just gonna get right into it. I have this bowl here, and I'm just gonna start adding my oils and adding my gold flakes and my flavorings. I do not know the measurements. I usually just eye it and wait for the texture that I like my lip oils to be. And for the most part, my quality stays the same. So I pretty much just eye it. Okay, so at this point, I'm just pretty much going to stop talking and you guys can just watch what I'm doing. And like I said, I will have all the links listed below if you guys are interested in purchasing any of the items from my cosmetic line. I will have my website below, as well as a coupon code for you guys to get a percentage off of your orders. And so I thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.